Lemongrass, also known as Cymbopogon, is a tropical herb native to Asia and Africa. Its distinct lemony flavor and fragrance make it a popular ingredient in many cuisines, especially in Southeast Asian dishes. Lemongrass is also prized for its medicinal properties, including its ability to aid digestion, relieve stress, and reduce inflammation. Benefits: lemongrass offers several health benefits. Digestive health. Lemongrass can help alleviate digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and indigestion. Anti-inflammatory. It contains compounds that may reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis. Stress relief. The aroma of lemongrass is known to have a calming effect, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Immune support. Its antioxidant properties may help strengthen the immune system, protecting against illness. Skin health. Lemongrass is used in skincare products for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help with acne and other skin issues. Pain relief. Some research suggests that lemongrass may have analgesic properties, helping to alleviate pain. Detoxification. Lemongrass tea is often consumed as a detoxifying agent, promoting kidney and liver health. These benefits make lemongrass a valuable addition to both culinary and wellness practices. Ways of use. There are numerous ways to use lemongrass. Culinary use. Lemongrass adds a unique flavor to dishes. It can be chopped and added to soups, curries, stir-fries, marinades, and sauces. You can also infuse it into teas or use it to flavor desserts and beverages. Teeth. Steep chopped lemongrass stalks in hot water to make a refreshing herbal tea. You can enjoy it hot or cold with or without sweeteners. Aromatherapy. The essential oil of lemongrass is used in aromatherapy for its uplifting and calming effects. Add a few drops to a diffuser or inhale the aroma directly for a mood boost. Skincare. Lemongrass essential oil is used in skincare products for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Dilute it with a carrier oil and apply it topically to treat acne or fungal infections. Herbal remedies. Lemongrass is used in traditional medicine for its various health benefits. You can brew it into a decoction, make a tincture, or use it in poultices for external application. Flavoring. Lemongrass can be used to flavor beverages like lemonade or cocktails. Simply muddle it with other ingredients to release its aromatic oils. Grilling. Use lemongrass stalks as skewers for grilling meat, seafood, or vegetables. The citrusy flavor infuses the food while it cooks. Experiment with different ways of using lemongrass to discover your favorite applications and enjoy its aromatic and flavorful properties.